Hello everyone, here I am R. Sugamaneshwar from BA Defense and Strategic Studies. Here I am to tell the relationship between India, Latin America and Caribbean countries. Here is the map of Latin America and Caribbean countries. Here is the list of the countries, Latin American countries: Argentina, Brazil, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guyana, Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, Martinique, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Saint Martin, Saint Pierre, Miquelon, Uruguay and Venezuela, and the Caribbean countries Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Barbados, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Grenada, Haiti, Jamaica, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. It is the background of the relationship. The relationship between India and Latin America and Caribbean countries, shortly named LAC, has long been out of sight, out of mind. The geographical distance between them means that there is neither strategic compulsion nor economic relation to proactively build ties. Yet, the Latin American Caribbean countries maintained a history of warm friendship with India. The post-independence, 1947 to 1991. After India's independence, its engagement with LAC was limited to cooperation in the UN General Assembly over several international issues and in the NAM. State visits from India have also been negligible in this period, with Nehru's visit to Mexico in 1961 and Indira Gandhi's visit to 8 LAC countries in 1968. In this period, the LAC states were also suffering from dictatorship regimes and they became a theater for the Cold War. On the other hand, as a socialistic economy up to 1991, India did not develop economic ties with the LAC. These factors and the geographical distance between India and the LAC reduced the space for India to deepen its bond with the far-flung continent. Latin American and Caribbean nations share the spirit of anti-colonialism with India through many of them had gained independence almost a century before India became free. The societies of LAC also have an ancient and a rich civilization values like India and other ancient countries. One could have drawn similarities in same cultural practices between India and LAC, such as Suriname and Guyana have a sizable population of Indian origin who were shipped by colonial power as slaves centuries ago. 1991 present. The political transformation of LAC from dictator to a democratic process began to take place in the geographical 1980s and early 1990s. With the emergence of democracy in the region, that focus shifted to economic fundamentals and a regional integration and equitable development. With India's economic reforms and the fall of Soviet Union in 1991, the necessity to strengthen the economic ties with the LAC became more prominent than ever before. From a negligible few million USD worth trade with the LAC in the early 1990s, India had over USD 30 billion worth of trades as 2017 to 18. Several companies from in the Indian IT industries, pharmaceuticals, oils and gas have invested in the LAC. This has contributed to the growth in trade over the years. BRICS. India and Brazil are the components of BRICS, which was formed in 2006. This getting together of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South America has provided a platform for India to actively engage with the LAC. The grouping of these emerging nations of this world facilitates the greater economic and cultural exchanges between India and the LAC. BRICS Summit. In 2014, BRICS Summit was held in Brazil, enabled the Indian Prime Minister to hold meeting with other LAC leaders on the sidelines. With a population of about 620 million on the resource-rich land, LAC presents itself as a great opportunity for India to expand global footprints. With the advancement of technological and transport mechanism, the geographical distance can be narrowed to facilitate deeper engagement. History of friendly relationship between LAC and India also provides a foundation for enhanced cooperation in the 20th century. Thank you all.